pull the trigger one time. I'm saying, if you pull this trigger one time, it'll shoot out every bullet in this clip.
Yeah, you can cut that fat bastard down for real.
Yeah, I'll cut that fat bastard down. 10 little motherfuckers standing behind him, man.
I don't trust a fucking soul, all you niggas fucking fake. When I walk up by my door, all I see is fucking snakes. Riding dolo down the block, on my waist the fucking Glock. And this bitch hold 30 shots, and the Glock 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 hold 30 shots.
Yeah, 30 shots to your FaceTime. I'll be damned if I let a nigga take mine. Yeah, 45 on the waistline. Cause a nigga like me don't waste time. Shots to your fitty, and I don't miss. 2, 2, 3s to your body, had your brain split. I just give them as I go, I don't say shit. Fucking with my money, something I don't play with. Hit you deep like Smithy, smoking on that Desi. Steady whipping pasta, yeah, I'm getting fatty. Love on my mind, but my heart is heavy. Extended mags in this bit, and it's never empty.
Car's running. We might as well all just go in there, you know what I'm saying? It's the three of us. We in and we out. What's up, man? Y'all looking at me like that? You ready for the money? Okay, then. I need a gun, though. I need a gun. Man, my fault.
I don't trust a fucking soul, all you niggas fucking fake. When I walk up by my door, all I see is fucking snakes. Riding dolo down the block, on my waist the fucking Glock. And this bitch hold 30 shots, and the Glock 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 hold 30 shots,
and I Glock hold 30 shots. I pull up on whoever block, let it off like Rambo, nigga. Go on, watch they bodies drop. Getting busy, moving all this work, ain't got no time to chill. And when you coming from a struggle, man, you don't know how it feels. 5.56 is tearing through your frame, they probably call the cops. Everything we got is real life, man, this is not a prop. Flexing on the gram like you a gangster, man, this gotta stop. Cause I was told a different story, man, I heard that you got robbed. It's crazy how these niggas pillow talk but never pull a bitch. Crazy how my shit hold 33, I hit him with a switch. Got her blowing smoke like a shorty puffing on a cig. I'll show him what I do but never tell him what I fucking did, nigga.
Yeah, you know what? Don't make it a homicide, dude. The fuck you told? You actually had the guard. I had the floor locked. Everybody be quiet, don't say shit. Give me this glass box, see that pipe.
Pull up to the scene, talking crazy, I'ma let it off. If you run your mouth, I got a 30 that will get involved. Never stepping on nobody's toes, that's not me at all. But money over drama is how I see, I think I'm better off. Bang, 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 you getting mad, I just do my thing. If you ever try to approach, yeah, I'll